And staying on cricket, former West Indies captain Guyanese Sir Clive Lloyd has been elected as Lancashire's new president as part of a restructuring of the club board. The two-time world champion Lloyd, who appeared in 110 tests during his international career, but also spent 18 years playing for the Red Rose. He's joined on the board by former England spinner and World Cup winner Alex Hartley, who has been appointed as vice president after retiring from the game in 2023. Ex-Lancashire captain Mike Watkinson has succeeded the outgoing Chris Peacock as a member representative on the board. Meanwhile, Dame Sarah Story, Great Britain's most successful Paralympian, will become the chair of Lancashire Cricket, having previously served as president. Now, there's the TVJ Sports follow-up. It's understood that a new executive for the Jamaica Weightlifting Federation has been put in place despite opposition from incumbent president Dr Mark Broomfield. It's understood elections were held under the auspices of the Jamaica Olympic Association earlier this week. TVJ Sports sources have indicated that overseas-based national weightlifter Omarie Mears was elected president at the meeting. Dr. Broomfield has been president of the Federation since January 2020, when it was officially relaunched after 25 years of dormancy. In April, in an exclusive interview with the TVJ Sports, Dr. Broomfield questioned the involvement of the JOA in the internal affairs of the Federation, including trying to dissolve his executive. Dr. Broomfield cried foul, claiming the JOA was supporting a move by some athletes and coaches to create a new executive, with the athletes and coaches citing governance issues, including no elections. In a written response to queries by TVJ Sports, JOA President Christopher Samuda had said the apex body had merely intervened to build consensus and unite the factions. TVJ Sports further understands that Dr. Broomfield could take legal action.